The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Barbecued pork skewers are a beloved staple of Vietnamese street food and home cooking alike. Cubes of streaky pork are bathed in a glossy marinade built from honey, hoisin sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, garlic, and spring onion, a balance of sweet, salty, and savory that caramelizes beautifully over an open flame. Threaded onto bamboo skewers and grilled until charred at the edges yet juicy within, these skewers capture the irresistible smoky-sweet character that defines so much of Vietnam's outdoor cooking. They are typically served as a snack or appetizer, garnished with crisp cucumber slices, and pair wonderfully with rice vermicelli bowls, banh mi sandwiches, or simply steamed rice. Main ingredients: streaky pork, cubed, 1 pound, bamboo skewers soaked in water for 1 hour before using, 16, small cucumber, thinly sliced to garnish, 1 marinade, honey, 1 tablespoon, hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon, fish sauce, 1 tablespoon, garlic, minced, 3 cloves, spring onions, minced, 2 oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons, salt, 1/2 teaspoon, freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps: 1. Soak the bamboo skewers. Submerge 16 bamboo skewers in water for at least 1 hour before grilling. This prevents them from burning and splintering over the heat. Source: Feed the Pudge, Bun Bo Bay. Both emphasize soaking skewers 30 minutes to 1 hour ahead. 2. Prepare the pork. Cut the streaky pork into uniform bite-sized cubes, about 1 inch each. Uniform sizing ensures even cooking. If the pork is difficult to cut cleanly, partially freeze it for 30-45 minutes first to firm up the flesh. Source: Bun Bo Bay recommends slicing pork evenly for consistent cooking. Tree, mince the aromatics. Peel and mince 3 cloves of garlic. Trim and mince 2 spring onions. Set aside. The finer the mince, the more evenly the aromatics will coat the pork. Trapped. 4. Mix the marinade. In a large bowl, combine all the marinade ingredients: honey, hoisin sauce, fish sauce, minced garlic, minced spring onions, oyster sauce, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Whisk until the honey and sauces are fully blended into a smooth, glossy mixture. 5. Marinate the pork. Add the pork cubes to the marinade and mix thoroughly with your hands or tongs until every piece is well coated. Cover the bowl with a cloth or plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. For deeper flavor, marinate overnight. The extended time allows the aromatics to penetrate the meat fully. Source: Feed the Pudge notes marinating overnight yields the best flavor. Bun Bo Bay recommends at least 30 minutes, preferably overnight. Cooking steps: 1. Thread the pork onto skewers. Remove the marinated pork from the refrigerator. Thread the cubes onto the pre-soaked bamboo skewers, spacing the pieces slightly apart so the heat can reach all sides. Distribute the pork evenly, roughly 8-10 cubes per skewer, and reserve the leftover marinade for basting. 2. Preheat the grill or broiler. Preheat a pan grill, outdoor grill, or oven broiler to medium heat. Medium heat is essential here because the marinade's honey and hoisin content is high in sugar, too hot, and the sugars will burn before the pork cooks through. Source: Feed the Pudge specifically notes using medium heat to avoid burning the sugary marinade. Grill the skewers. Place a few skewers at a time on the grill or under the broiler. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, turning frequently and basting with the reserved marinade to build up a sticky, caramelized glaze. Continue grilling until the pork is fully cooked and beautifully charred at the edges, approximately 8 minutes total. Alternatively, grill in the oven for 5 minutes on each side. 4. Check for doneness. The pork should be cooked through with no pink remaining, and the exterior should be deep golden brown with appealing char marks. An internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit indicates safe doneness, though many Vietnamese cooks prefer a slightly more caramelized finish. Source: Feed the Pudge recommends cooking to at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. 5. Garnish and serve. Arrange the grilled pork skewers on a serving platter and garnish with thinly sliced cucumber. Serve immediately while hot. These skewers are delicious on their own as a snack, or as part of a larger meal with steamed rice, rice vermicelli, fresh herbs, and a side of fish sauce dip.